Welcome to our comparison video of the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer. We'll be evaluating these products based on their features and performance, and helping you decide which one is the right fit for your needs. The Secura Air Fryer XL is priced at $70, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer is priced at $229. Despite the significant price difference, we'll let you know which one is the better value for your money. The Secura Air Fryer XL has a 5.3 quarts capacity, making it one of the largest fryers on the market. The Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer has dual independent 5-quart baskets and a 10-quart capacity. We'll discuss which one is better for cooking meals for large families or hosting dinner parties. The Secura Air Fryer XL has temperature settings ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with adjustable controls for frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or grilling. The Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer has 6 versatile cooking programs including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. We'll discuss which product is more user-friendly and efficient for daily cooking. The Secura Air Fryer XL uses convection technology to cook food with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. The Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL 2-basket air fryer claims to reduce fat up to 75% compared to traditional air frying methods. We'll discuss which product performs better in terms of healthy cooking. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope this has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.